So we're just going to have another look at the tools function. Remember I said I was going to come back. So just a quick reminder, this is the background and the language, the unit measurements, the cut area, and whether you want the background lighter or darker or off. There's actually 8 screens here and we went right through. Remember, you can change the draw speed, the cut speed, the pressure, draw pressure here. If it's got the square box around it, it's the default. So if you kind of set it and go, oh, I don't like that, I'll go back. So the buzzer sound, the seam allowance, pattern interval. Pattern interval, I didn't go into a great deal in the start. But the pattern interval is if you put your shapes onto your screen and one is quite close, but if you push it up to 7, they would land on the page quite far apart. So you can use that if you wish. I don't usually use that one. So the opening screen on and off. So these 3 here, if things aren't working, so this is more of a maintenance section. So the scanning, so it wants a white paper to put in. So you load your mat. And so it says install the blade holder and mat with sheet of white paper attached and set the machine. So you just press go and it will retarget. It gives you the ability to move your, scan that. So you can't see it very good because it's, for some reason, it hasn't scanned that well. But basically you move this little marker to the right or to the left or up or down, depending if it's not quite where you expect it to land. Not quite sure why it's come such a bad scan, but I'm not moving my marker because I'm pretty happy with my scanner. But if it's not scanning properly, then that's what you would do. Just cross out of that and we'll go back. And blade adjustment. So at the moment the blade goes right across the whole page. You can actually, if you're only working in one corner of your mat, so that's the lowest, I'll just go OK and OK, and we'll put a pattern on there just so you can see what it's doing. Go OK and OK, and I'll just move that over because I'll just go back and move that over because it's going to miss the board. And this probably won't cut because remember I've shifted it right to, so it's only going to manage a small bit of the, instead of going right across. We'll just see what it does. Okay. Normally it would, oh, it's still going to cut out. Okay, that's good. Should have made that a bit smaller, haven't I? I'm just going to do it again so you can see. It only came to here. Go OK. Let's just cut that again so you can see it. Watch, it only comes to there and then it starts cutting. Go back to the home screen, get rid of that. Go back into tools and it'd be just as easy to go the other way. So you can see it marked there, but if we have it the full way across, go OK and OK, and just add a quick shape again. Might make it a little bit smaller this time. And set that. I'll push that over there somewhere. Don't really worry too much where it cuts out, it's just a demonstration. Okay. You can see that goes right to the right hand side now. And that's the default that's set at. Okay. Go back into the tools because there's more I want to show you. Premium functions. So this is where you can activate some of your extra purchases if you want, if you purchase them. This is your ID for Canvas login ID, so that's my login for the Canvas Online. If you change it on Canvas for some reason, you can change it here, you can delete it here. Most people don't need to do that. Network is where I want to go. So this is your network settings. Very easy to set up on your network to enable Wi-Fi. So we've got it on. It's got a wizard. Normally just this wizard's fine. And others. So you've got your choices of how you set it up. So it's going to search for the SSID. It's the ID number for the network. And we can found it. That's my network there. Okay, yep, that's mine. I'll go OK. So saved access point information. So I don't need to redo mine. So we'll just go no, and see if we can back out of that. Probably have to go and put all my details back in now, but that's okay. So I'll just go back forward. And so that one also is a wizard, and this one's just a status. So you can see it's got a good signal. That's the network we're connected to. Infrastructure mode, I'm not sure what that means. It's active. Doesn't tell you much more in there at all. And you can see the wireless symbol up there, and when it's blue, those blue lines in it, that means it's connected. If it's there and it hasn't got the blue lines, it means it's not connected. So your router's probably off. Okay, so that's the network. I think we've covered everything. So this, we went over that's your machine number, the version of the software that's running the machine, and the machine information.